My dear student, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated at Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we're going to start a new poem which is given in your English reader book. So for that you all take out your English reader book and open page number 31. Student, this is title of this poem is Butterfly Laughter. Butterfly Laughter. So you all take out your page number 31. So now let's start the reading. So before starting this poem, I will tell you something that this poem is related to a blue butterfly. Student, in this poem we have to learn that the author of this poem, Catherine Catherine Mansfield, is talking about a grandmother and their children, how to a grandmother make a joke for his children. So when grandmother said that don't eat the poor butterfly, so that time all the children are laugh. So student, here the poet felt love for her grandmother and children enjoyed the sweet joke about the butterfly on the porridge plates. Okay, so let's start the reading of this poem. So first of all, there is a first line. Start from the beginning. So in the middle of our porridge plates, there was a butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap. So now, one more time we have to read it. So, the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted, and each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap. So student, in this poem, the author speaks of a blue butterfly that was painted in the middle. Student, there is a plate. In the plate, there is a middle of plate, there was a blue butterfly painted. So, the middle of their porridge plates, the poet together with his companion completed every morning to see who was the first to reach the butterfly. Their grandmother and the children are having fun on the dining table when the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." So that time all the children are imagine that once a day, one fine morning, the butterfly would fly out of our plates, and all the laughing, the teeniest laugh in the world, all the children are laughing together. They imagine that the butterfly would be live and it fly out of plates and perch on the grandmother's lap. So student, this is the poem, okay, who shows the love between grandmother and their children. So student, here were some questions according to the poem. This is first, where was the blue butterfly was painted? Do you know? This is the first question, that where was the blue butterfly was painted. So we all know that the butterfly was painted on the porridge plates. Okay, the butterfly was painted on the porridge plates. Now this next question, what did the children try each morning? What did the children try each morning? So the children tried to finish porridge first to reach the butterfly painted on the plates. All the children are trying to finish porridge firstly and to reach the butterfly who is painted on their porridge plates. Okay. Now next is number third. What happened one fine morning? So one fine morning, butterfly flew out of the plates and perched on grandmother's lap. So now next tell me, how do you think the poet feels about her grandmother? Give reason for your answer. So student, you have to say that the poet felt love for her grandmothers as the children enjoyed the sweet joke about the butterfly on the porridge plates. Okay student, in this poem we have to learn about the relation between grandmother and their children. Okay, so now we have also learned about the butterfly who was painted on porridge plates. So student, let's again read this poem. Okay, so we have to learn poem Butterfly Laughter. What is the spelling of butterfly laughter? B-U-T-T-E-R butter, F-L-Y fly, B-U-T-T-E-R F-L-Y butterfly, L-A-U-G-S-T-E-R laughter, butterfly laughter. In the middle of our porridge plates, here are the hard word porridge. What the means of porridge? Tell me. It's a food. Okay. Now tell me what the spelling of porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E, porridge. In the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted. There was a blue butterfly painted. Now next line. And each morning we tried, and each morning we tried who should raise the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, student, you can see in this poem there is a grandmother. Okay. Then the grandmother said, do not eat the poor butterfly who was painted on the middle of porridge plates. Okay. So that made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. The grandmother always saying that do not eat the poor butterflies, okay, who was painted on the middle of porridge plates. So next, it seemed such a sweet little joke. It looked like a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning, the poet said that she supposed that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates and laughing the teeniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap, and laughing the teeniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap. Okay student, I hope you all understood this poem. So you have to keep practice of this poem again and again. You have to read and learn this poem and also find out the hard words of this poem. Okay students, so till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.